So the last few steps of the yes test, once you have checked off your yes test, you saw as we did step 2, when we have gotten to the point where our essay is all nice like this, you see, oops, this paragraph still needs to be indented. There we go. Okay, so you see they're all indented and there's no extra space between them. There's just the tab. That's what we want. And then you can put that last yes up here for that part. Okay? So we've done the yes test, step 1, we've done the step 2, which is finalizing your essay. And then now it's a little easier to do the final steps, which are just, you really want to double check for register mistakes. This definitely helps these last 2 steps to have someone else help you, or even just be there as a second pair of eyes to look over make sure you didn't have any more mistakes that you made that they can help you fix, or at least point out so you know where they are. And then finding register things like improving your audience score. This is what I'm thinking, like when a person's reading your essay, think about what they're seeing. Are they seeing this word refuge 15 times? Can you change that up? Did you repeat other words that you could change by using synonyms? Could you improve your word choice to be more academic sounding and more specific? So you're looking back over your essay, you're rereading it, and I know it's like frustrating to have to read your essay so many times, but you really want to look at it as though you're a teacher reading it or someone who's going to grade it. What would you see that you think could improve that and make you sound more academic on the paper? Okay. Formal register, of course, you're looking for using this writing styles handout to see if there's if you used any words like things or stuff or a lot or happy, sad. Like, could you be more specific? Could you get more creative with your adjectives there? What kind of stuff are you talking about? Like, being a little bit more detailed is really going to help your writing. And last but not least, using transitions in your work to make some flow. So if you look back at when you had those boxes in here, there was a transition handout. That's also linked to the original module, and you can go and find some transition ideas for going between analysis to your next piece of evidence, or going between paragraphs, and even starting your conclusion. Your conclusion paragraph, you could use the transition to start that paragraph. So using those in your writing is going to help make it even stronger. So, and then the last part, really important, you can do these actually together, like step 3 and 4, you could do at the same time, reading it out loud to yourself. So the last time you read it, really give yourself a chance to read it out loud to yourself, listen to yourself, hear it, and that's going to help you find more mistakes. And then even better is to have someone else read it to you. So give them your paper, like don't give it, like share it with them if it's a student, but if it's another student like that you're sitting next to, like physically, they can read it out loud to you. Or if someone in your family, or if you have a tutor, it's okay to share your essay with a tutor, like through Google, and they can read it out loud to you, or you can share your screen when you're Zooming with them, have them read it out loud. Okay? And you're going to find more mistakes that you might not have noticed. Okay? And that's it. That's the end. Just checking, you can see this is the final draft now of this person's essay. I'm going to post this for you guys to see how he moved from his original second draft and how he went through and changed all those orange and green parts that he found mistakes and improved the essay and added some more details for his final draft, which ended up looking like this. Okay? And then when you're done with it's all ready to go, and you submit it to a module 6.6 using the directions that I'm going to post under this, or under the directions for the assignment. You're going to see how to post it so it goes through Turnitin.com and Al can start grading them for you. Great job. You should be very proud of yourself for finishing this essay.